Innovation focus urged. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal calls for Indian startups to move beyond consumer services like grocery delivery and focus on high-tech areas like semiconductors, machine learning, robotics, and AI. Startup ecosystem size. India has the world's third-largest startup ecosystem with over 1.57 lakh BIT-recognized startups, December 2024. Government support. Startup India, SISFs, FFS, AIM, CGSS, and Matewise Startup Hub are key initiatives, but SISF may not be providing adequate funding. Infrastructure and economic challenges. High operational costs, infrastructure gaps, and a segmented demand structure hinder startup success. Limited R&D spending, 0.64% of GDP, is also a factor. Funding issues. Seed funding dipped by 25% and D2C funding fell by 18% in 2024, with over 5,000 startup closures reported in Maharashtra. More domestic VC investment is needed. Exit concerns. Underperforming IPOs increase investor caution due to high valuations and profitability concerns. Collaboration is key. Industry institution academia partnerships, DRDO, ISRO, IITs, are crucial for scaling deep tech ventures. Outcome-based grants are also needed in India's semiconductor mission, India AI mission, and National Quantum Mission. Global competitiveness. Startups need to develop high-quality, scalable products to compete globally, with a focus on green innovation. Talent and digital compliance. Investing in AI, ML, and data analytics skills is vital, alongside establishing a unified digital compliance platform to ease regulatory burdens. Debate on innovation. While India has a growing number of startups, questions remain about the depth of innovation and scalability, with deep tech ventures facing high capital requirements. Startup India impact. The Startup India initiative has encouraged many to start ventures, with multiple ministries involved and significant debt capital flowing into startups. India versus China. China's nationalistic view of technology, closed ecosystem, and higher per capita GDP have contributed to a more mature startup ecosystem.